Hi everybody, this is Sonia coming to you with another video. So I wanted to change out the light fixture in the upstairs bathroom, and I started not to do it because it had been a while since I'd installed anything electrical. But I didn't let it stop me, and I went ahead and jumped right in, though it took me some time to get to this little project. I'm glad I got it over with a couple days ago. So I have the little one holding the camera, I have a flashlight, and we're jumping right in. First I had to, of course, cut the power to this circuit to the cut the power to this room only, and not have everybody sweating because it is summertime here in Texas and it's very hot. If you're going to be working with electrical, make sure you have the correct tools. Check the description box below. I'll definitely link to everything that I've used in this video, and I'll make some suggestions as to what you might want to have. I have a tester to make sure that there's no fire coming into that box, because you never know, I didn't build this house, so you never know what can be in those in the fixtures, right? You never know what can be left there. So it's not a bad idea to use a tester to make sure that there's no fire coming into none of those lines, and that something's not in the box that shouldn't be, But I'm going to learn from my own mistake here. And though I pulled down the old fixture, I didn't look at the fact that my old fixture did not have that bracket. And on this new fixture, it definitely requires that bracket in order for me to use the threaded post that comes with the new fixture. And you'll see that here. But nevertheless, whenever I'm doing jobs or projects like this, it's always a great learning experience for me, because I'm able to see, and learn and catch on, immediately. So yeah, I hope you see that here, because now comes the time where not only do I need to push all of these electrical wires back up inside, but how am I going to attach it? Because I'm not even sure what you call it, but the part that's there now does not have anything there to support this type of fixture. So thankfully, I had already emptied the box's contents for the new fixture, and I knew immediately exactly what was missing, though I hated to start over. And I had pulled everything down, pulled it all apart, and went ahead and installed that little bracket there, and we will attach everything back. And with electrical, this is a simple one, black to black, white to white, and it went pretty quickly after that. So this bathroom upstairs is pretty much complete as far as what I want to do. I got to get back up in there and just sweep up a little bit after my own mess. But the shower curtain rod, that was completed. Changed out the shower head and changed out the toilet seat, just very minimal stuff, right? Redid the grout on the bathroom wall, on the tile, and then on the bathroom floor. And this makes a wrap, this is it. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed the footage of the install of the fixture. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. This is Sonia saying thank you so much for watching. If you're in the market to purchase any of these type things, check out the description for links or tags to some of these items that can help make your shopping experience a whole lot more pleasant. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day today, and I'll see you on whatever it is I'm working on next. Bye.